Hi everyone, I'm your gay Chinese teacher Eric. In the last episode, we talked about some Chinese sentences for meeting new people in the gay saunas. In this episode, I will teach you some practical Chinese relative to intimate interactions, consent, boundaries, and safe practices. If you haven't watched the last episode, you can click the link in the comments below and watch it first. Let's get started. If you meet someone you like and they like you too, you can go to find a private place. You might chat a little bit before getting closer. You might ask, 你有保险套吗? Do you have a condom? 你 means you. 有 means have. 保险套 means condom. The literal meaning of 保险套 is insurance sheath. Ma is a yes-no question marker. 你有保险套吗? 你有保险套吗? Do you have a condom? If you do, you say 有. Yes, I have. 有. If you don't, you say 没有. No, I don't have. 没有. Next, 你有润滑液吗? Do you have a lube? 润滑液 means lube. 润滑 means lubrication. 液 means liquid. Lubrication liquid is lube. The correct sound of this character is 液, but most people say 液. If you say 液 to Taiwanese people, you might sound like a drag queen at the wrong party.
Why are you laughing?
I always laugh. It's a nervous thing, I think.
I'm sorry, my dear, but you are up for elimination.
你有润滑液吗? Do you have a lube? If you do, you say 有. If you don't, you say 没有. If you don't have a lube or condoms, you can go to the front desk and ask the staff. Lube and condoms are free in Taiwanese saunas. Next, 可以无套吗? Can we go without a condom? 可以吗 is a very useful pattern for asking permission. 可以 means can. Ma is a yes-no question marker. 无套 literally means without a cover. 可以无套吗? Can we go without a condom? 可以无套吗? Some Taiwanese people might also say 可以 BB 吗? BB means bareback. 可以 BB 吗? 可以 BB 吗? Can we do it bareback? If that's what you want, you can say 可以 yes, okay. 可以. If you want to express your boundaries, you can say 不太好. 不太好. It's not great. It's not a good idea. If the other person insists, you can say 不行. 不行. No, or 不可以. 不可以. No way. That's not okay. Remember, people do use these phrases in real life settings, but because they involve safety and health, it is essential to respect the other person's wishes and safety. Next sentence is 可以亲嘴吗? Can we kiss? Not everyone feels comfortable kissing strangers, but it's more polite to ask first. 亲 means kiss. 嘴 means mouth. Kiss plus mouth equal kiss. 可以亲嘴吗? 可以亲嘴吗? Can we kiss? You can answer this question the same way as the previous one. you can say 可以 to show agreement and say 不太好不行 or 不可以 to show disagreement. Finally, if someone wants to go without a condom or you want to, you can ask 你有吃 PrEP 吗 Are you on PrEP? 你 equals you, 有 equals have, 吃 equals take or eat. 吗 is a yes-no question marker. If yes, you can say 有. If no, you can say 没有. However, regardless of PrEP use, both parties should communicate clearly and respect each other's boundaries. If the other person does not want to go without a condom, do not insist. That's all for this episode. In the next episode, we will cover more common Chinese expressions for intimate interactions. If you want to learn more useful Chinese for gay saunas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my channel. See you next time. 再见。